Happy birthday, Admin 56, owner love. From Love Rise Agency, we lift our prayers above. A heart so generous, a soul that always cares.
Hello Mama! Advance happy birthday! No more MMK na. I wish for you always good health and take care. I love you! Mwah!
Hello Mama, advance happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa mo is stay safe and stay healthy and also stay pretty. Kaya po na para magaling sa papasin. Halong ka na perming, kag always maintain na palangga rin niya mga tatlo. Hindi ko again try to be strong na perming. Kaya tani mag-game engineer ng mga bata. So, always maintain na palangga. I love you so much Ma and happy advance happy birthday.
Mama, may gabi. Advance happy birthday. Ang mahambal ko lang si imo mayong lawas. Nang hindi magutok ko ba lang imo kaugalingon. Pilapit na imo nga birthday. Kabay pakatagaan ka pa sa Lord sa more years to come. And enjoy your day. Mura na ako mambal. Love you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Turn up for your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Turn up for your birthday. With you, our dearest owner, love rise will thrive. So we sing to
Hello love! Happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best. More bimbang. Thank you ako kasi nakilala kita through up and down. Kahit nagagalit ako sa iyo or dami ko na sinasabi, humble ka pa rin, nandyan ka pa rin at ang lawak ng pangunawa mo. Thank you for being a friend, nice friend, kapatid, lahat na kapamilya. Basta stay strong. Makaahon din tayo kay Castle tsaka kay Banana. Basta ingat always and good luck. Happy birthday again and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Bye bye.
Hi, Bebe Love! Happy birthday! Ayan, sana happy ka sa birthday mo ngayon. And then, God bless you. Ayan, wala na akong masabi pa. Basta mag-iingat ka lang palagi. And then, sa love life mo, alam ko naman na in lababo ka. So, ayan, stay strong lang sa love life mo. And I hope na siya na talaga. Hindi lang pang boyfriend-girlfriend. Sana pang matagalan na yan. At yan na magiging partner mo in life. Ayan, nabubulol na ang lola mo. Tapos ayan, more bambangan lagi. Yan lang. Maraming salamat sa friendship at saka God bless sa family mo and I hope naman na alam ko naman na happy ka palagi and in love palagi. Yan lang. Take care always. Love ya. Happy birthday!
Hi, Baby Love. Happy birthday sa'yo. And wishing you a good health and more blessings to come. Thank you so much for being there for us always. Hindi lang sa lahat ng tatakang sa birthday. So, stay strong kayo ni Mahal. So, yun lang. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Happy birthday, Honor Love. Wishing you all the best and more blessings to come. And happy birthday and more birthdays to celebrate. And always be humble. Thank you for being part of Love Rise Agency and thank you for trusting me. Love you and God bless.
Hi, Sisi. Happy birthday to you. Honor love. More birthdays to come. Stay young and beautiful. Okay? Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mami Love.
And ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana maging masaya ka. Tapos, ang tanging hiling ko para sa iyong kaarawan, sana ay maging masaya ka, maging matagumpay sa landas ng iyong napili. Tapos, naway pagpalain ka ni Lord. And maligayang kaarawan po. And enjoy po. God bless po. Nabubuyoy na ako. Thank you. Happy birthday, Honor Love. More birthday to come. Stay strong, stay healthy, and sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng kaarawan mo. At nagpapasalamat ako dahil isa ako sa naging member mo sa Love Rise Agency. And pasensya na sa minsan makulit kami, maingay kami. Sana haba-habaan mo ang pasensya mo para sa amin mga member mo. Yun lang. God bless and more power. Stay pretty always. Love Rise Agency. Sashi.
Happy Honor Love. I hope you are good health and be strong. I wish happy birthday